Welcome student. Now today we are going to start with a new session, that is session 8, create, modify and format chart. Okay, so what is chart? Chart is a graphical representation of data in which the data is represented by symbols such as lines, line chart, bars in a bar chart or slice in a pie chart. Okay, then whatever we will do in the excels, that tables or data will enter, that we can represent over chart also. Now here are some chart elements provided. Just see chart area, chart title, data points, these things that has been point, these are the chart elements. Okay, now next, here you can see the descriptions of axes and types of charts. Okay, in this page you can see descriptions, you can see elements of chart and chart types along with their description. So student, this is quite very important. Now types of charts is very important, as this may come for long questions also. Okay, and these elements also you have to go, and how these elements work, these things you have to go through once. Then modifying and formatting charts, changing types of the charts, then layout of the charts, okay, style of the charts, these things you just read once, you will be able to do. Changing data range of a chart, then adding, modifying and deleting chart elements, selected object of the chart, formatting selected objects of the charts. And if you have computer or laptop at your home, do try these things once at least student, then it will be very helpful for you to write in short questions and to remember or memorize also. Okay, sort and filter data. Sorting the data means arranging the data in the spreadsheet either ascending or in descending. So here are some method. One, using buttons. Now see, you can see in the selected portion how it appears by ascending 101 102 in this way. Okay, you can see in the picture and follow. Using short dialog box, so here also you have to learn there are two ways of sorting the data, that is using sorting buttons and using short dialog box. Okay, then filtering data means working with only selective range of cells. So there is a very important question, what is the difference between sorting and filtering, students? So I hope now you understand. Sorting means to arrange in ascending and descending, and filtering means to work only in the selective range of cells, means you have to filter on which range you want to work on that you can work. Okay, so it helps to hide unwanted data temporarily. After filtering the data, only those range of cells are displayed that meet the specified criteria, means that meet your specified condition. Okay, now all the multiple choice you have to do, and question answer also you have to learn from here. Write what is sorting, and in your what is sorting and how you can apply sorting to a range of cells, this you have to write in your copy. Now calculate data across worksheet is given. Sometimes in excel you need to perform calculation on multiple worksheets. Okay, for that we use each sheet contains heading by zone such as zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3. So to obtain 4 months of each zone, you can use the sum function here. Okay, after that, this is not so much required, you just read once and go for the multiple choice questions using multiple workbooks and linking cells. Here you can consolidating data from other workbook also is referred to as linking, means you can link one workbook to other workbook. For that, this is said to be as linking. You can see book 1 and enter following data sheet 1. Open another workbook named book 2 and enter the following data in sheet 1 only. Then what will happen, then see, you can see that in the switch window, in the window group, to get the active workgroup, means we can switch it so that it get link with each other. Okay, again here just go through the multiple choice questions. Then sharing a workbook. Sharing a workbook, open a workbook, then click on review tab, changes group, share workbook option, editing and advanced, then click on editing. By these files and saves, that all the steps are very nicely given in the book. Just follow this so that we can easily share it. Okay, now student, this chapter is over. All the multiple choice question, don't miss, skip any multiple choice questions, and short questions also you have to read and you have to find from book. Then from long and short questions, all you need to learn, okay, for your exams. And long answer questions also, from here you have to do all, means multiple choice, short answer, long answer, all you have to do. And in your practical copy you have to add one more questions that I'll give you in the message. Okay, thank you, this much.